you trying to claim your $250 million and your three cars, and I'm not having it.
Somebody's
Okay?
impersonating me. Are you kidding me right now? That is my money.
Listen, are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you, sir. You said your name is Mr.
I'm going to
Washington,
say
right?
yes. I'm going to say this. Yes, I'm going to say this once and only once.
Please.
Somebody called the FTC trying to pretend to be you. They cloned your telephone number, and they tried to get your prize to be wired to a bank account that they sent to us.
Wait, how would they clone my
And
phone number? Are they like, is it like hackers or VPNs or something? If it's VPNs,
yes,
oh my,
hackers with combination of VPN. So right now, to cut, I don't even trust who I'm talking to.
so
So
hacking
for security
VPNs.
purposes,
Yes,
hold on.
yes.
Let me finish. Are you hearing me?
Please finish, sir.
We need you to send your full name and address so I can know I'm talking to the right person because I don't want to talk to you and I'm on the cloned number.
Oh no, it's me. This is my phone number. Do you want me to text you now or tell you verbally over the phone?
Text me. Because when you tell me verbally, I record everything for security purpose. But when you text me, the pen is always mighty on the sword. So when I see it in writing, I will verify it with the VPN and also the proxy, and I can say, hey, I'm talking to the right person. You want to hang up and text me the correct name and address that we have on the system? We need to verify and validate that it's you and that the clone number that I'm talking to.
I just
Okay?
text you. Can you please read it back to me and make sure that we got everything right?
Okay, I'm going to do that. Oh,
And your name was Washington?
David Washington, I texted you the other day. I was the one who told you to cease and desist from sending money to, what's their name? Hold on.
I just
I
appreciate
got your
that.
name. What? I
Please,
remember.
please
Hold
read
on.
it to me. I want to
Hold
make
on.
sure I'm talking to the right person, that this is on the up and up.
Okay, it's Oscar, but I need the address to fully verify you.
I want you to read me my first and last name to make sure anybody can call me Oscar.
Oscar D. Gorge.
Okay, so you know me. Okay, now I know you as well, David.
Yeah, but you need. I still don't know you. You need to send me the physical address to confirm because they broke into the system and they cloned your number. Who knows what else they can do?
Oh
So
my
I need to
gosh.
before we're going to have the delivery today or tomorrow, depending on how fast you go, so we can have this thing. I don't want them to clone your number. They already cloned your number. I don't want them to clone your ID also and
They
get the
cloned
money
it.
while you.
Damn hackers with the VPNs. You told me that they did it with on behalf of the VPNs. Oh my God.
VPNs and listen, these guys are sophisticated. They're doing this from Russia and North Korea because Donald Trump pissed them off. So hurry up and send me the address so I can
I've
verify.
already sent it to you, sir.
Okay. Give me the street address. This is not saying anything.
That's my mailing address. I don't have a street address because I'm moving right now. My house is being sold, so I'm moving in with my niece.
Okay. I want you to cease and desist from talking to all these people. I heard that you have Indians coming to collect money in cash from you. I heard a lot of things. And you send the money to this lady. Let me tell you. Let me find the information. Hold on.
You're talking about Barbara?
Yes, Barbara.
Oh no. I just spoke to her. I spoke to her less than 5 minutes ago.
Did you send them money? How much money did you just send out?
No, I'm trying to get the address. I'm supposed to ship this out. I don't now. I'm really confused. How do I get my prize then?
Okay, I'm going to send you the information that you should have the money wired to. Listen, PCH is no longer in charge of your package. It's the Federal Trade Commission. Federal. Because we're pissed off. We don't want this. Listen, these people are working for the North Koreans and also Russians. When if you send money to them, they're going to use that money to fight their veteran soldiers over there.
Oh my
You're aiding
gosh.
and abetting. You're aiding and abetting and killing off these
No, no,
young
no, not me,
soldiers.
sir, not me. I'm not. Trust me, I'm not. I would definitely like to help as much as I can. Holy crap! Please, sir, you have to believe me.
Okay, how much money you have right now going to send off to these people?
45,000 in cash.
Okay, listen. I want you to get a certified cashier's check for that and have it wired. Have it and get a cashier's check and deposit it to this account. I'm going to text you the information.
Please,
Listen.
text me everything,
Let me
sir.
tell you.
I'm freaking out right now because
Listen,
now
listen,
Barbara's
listen,
calling me right now.
listen,
Hold on,
listen,
Barbara's
listen.
calling me, sir.
No,
Let me
don't
take
talk
her
to her.
call.
Listen, don't talk to her. I'm warning you. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
yes.
Listen, you have a cease and desist order. I'm going to show you something that they are phony. You are competent. I know you're not an idiot. You are not supposed, it's
Thanks.
against government, let me say something. It's
Sure.
against government policy to send cash through any courier service. That's a red flag. It is illegal.
Sir, I'm not sending anything through any Korean service. I was going to use the FedEx, not the Korean service. I've never even been down
No,
there
courier. I
before.
said courier. Listen, it's illegal to send money through FedEx, UPS, and the post office. Call the post office and ask them. They'll tell you never. You never send cash in the mail. That is
Because of North Korea, right? So you don't use the Korean service because of North Korea, like you said. Oh my gosh!
Listen. These people
Holy Kim
are
Jong.
working with the Russians. Listen, why do you think they want you to send cash? Because you don't have any trace of it. Then they're gonna come up for more cash. It's gonna be your word against their word. I'm gonna send you the right. Do you have Wells Fargo nearby you?
Hold a second. I just got a text message. Yes, I've got a Wells Fargo
No.
near me. I'm forwarding
Okay, let
you
me
this.
send you
Hold on.
the-
Listen to me. I'm
Listen,
forwarding you the message I just got, okay? I'm going to
Okay, forward it to me. I'm gonna screenshot it. We have the FBI on their tail. We have the FBI on their tail. Send me the information. Oh, we don't stop. Okay. Hold up. Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
I just text you everything. Can you read me the text back? Please read it to me. Oh,
Hold on, I'm gonna text it to you. Just hold on.
can you read me the text messages? What do these mean?
In doing that, it says the VPNs are coming to your door, and take my call, or you will be zapped and banned with our leaders from behind. Do you hear the type of terminology? Banned from our leaders. They're talking about Kim Jong from North Korea. You're killing our veterans. You're killing our soldiers. You're aiding and abetting with fraud.
Oh my.
I'm gonna crack. I had him muted for a second.
You're sending money to give them guns.
No.
You turn it. This
No,
is blood money.
I would
This is
never
blood.
do that.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, listen. You're going to get your 250 million, but you have to go to the Wells Fargo bank and deposit the money.
Oh my gosh,
the
there's
Wells
more
Fargo bank
messages coming in. Crap, I just sent you another
No,
one
no.
that they sent. Read it to me. What does this
Okay,
mean?
hold on. I'm going there. Hold on.
That's fine, I'm holding.
Okay. This means might as well jump. Might as well jump. Go ahead, jump, and go and jump. What does that mean? They're idiots. They don't. Listen. Do you know the?
You didn't read the rest of it.
Text them and
You did not read the rest of it.
Hold on. Okay, I'm coming. It says half your butt is wide. Well, mine is too. Watch your mouth, or I'll sit on you. The world is out. Better treat me right, 'cause I'm the king. What is this? Is he a rapper or what?
I don't know.
Are they in a... Listen, I'm going to send you the information that you need to send the money to. I just sent it to you.
Please
What
send
bank
it
are you
right away.
affiliated?
I use the Bank of
Listen.
America, sir. I use Bank of America. Oh my gosh, Barbara's
Okay,
calling
can you-
again. Let me take this. I'll be right back.
No, block up. No.
There you go. Thank you for the song redeems, y'all. I don't know who put those in. Jam, thank you for keeping me up to date. But we got a little Weird Al in for you guys and some Van Halen to boot. He texts over the bank account information just like that. So hang on, I got to report this over to Chappie. What is going on today? I can't even keep this stuff straight, man. Oh man, my head hurts. That guy was so into his little spiel. 45,000 wire. Oh man, my head hurts. Hang on, I need a drink of water after that, or a cigarette or something. Yeah, now he's calling back. He is calling back right now. He couldn't read the word cellulite. That's where he stopped, because he's supposed to say, because I'm the king of cellulite. He couldn't read that word, and then he would have continued on. Freaking Weird Al with his complex grammar. Ah, well, he needs a Xanax. Dude, this guy was really into it, man. Kind of made me feel